This is the Photoshop interface. Come to the text palette, and this is the horizontal type tool. When you clicking the text, then automatically it is coming artistic. There is no ending. There is no ending. There is no starting point and there is no ending point. Okay, that's why this is called a artistic text. Delete the layer. Then paragraph text. I'm just dragging one paragraph, and which one is the starting point? This one is the starting point and this one is the ending point. This is called paragraph text. Okay, and I'm just taking some website. See, here we have a paragraph, and take the paragraph, right click, copy, and come to here, control V, paste, control V, paste, select all, and the same properties, friends. Again, we can check the same properties using with some fonts and some medium and sizes. And alt down arrow and up arrow. Already I told you, friends, or otherwise go to the character panel, click it character panel, and click it the regular, and click it the 0 auto. Automatically it will done. And we have some more text is there, but it is, see, the string line, you can move it, then automatically you can see. Take a string line and select the text and make it as a black. Make it as a black and take the bold like this. And like this we can use the text properties. And here we have a paragraph text properties also. See here, this is a center alignment and right alignment and left alignment. And we have a spacing here. Line to line spacing is there. Select the text and go to the 0 and auto. Okay, and you can decrease the text. Alt up arrow like this. But everything is clear, but it's looking odd. It's not looking good. Here it's not looking good. And what is the artistic text tool and what is the paragraph text tool? Paragraph, we can take the paragraph from the certain text area box, but artistic we can take directly as a heading part. What is the heading? This one, we can see the heading, our patient speak. Come to the minimize the area, minimize, come to here, our patient speak, and we can increase the. And how is the text, friends? Here this is a thin, see, this is a thin, the text is very thin. Okay, we also keep the thin text using with Roboto thin, or otherwise we can keep light. Yes, and we can take this one as a medium. But everything is clear. Then what about this? This one is not looking good, looking like some odd, and we can increase the area part like this. Okay, now you can increase the area part like this, and the text, it's not looking good. It's looking like a some disturbance is the right side, it's not adjusting. Then come to the left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, left alignment. Again come to here, justification. Justification is very important. We have to keep always the left justification only. Left justification only. Keep it left justification. Now it's look, see, looking very clear. And center justification, right justification, and the last line should be also, it should be justified. That is called fully justified. Like this. This is called fully justified. But always I have to keep a left justification process. Okay. And how many paragraphs we have here? How many paragraphs we have? We have one paragraph. Again, I'm just copying this paragraph. Control C, copy. Control C, copy. I'm just entering here. Control V, paste. Control V, paste, and decrease the size of the text. Now, suppose how many paragraphs we have? 2 paragraphs. Now, I'm just keeping the end of the first paragraph. Now, see here. What is this one? This is called first line indents. First line indents of the margin 50. I kept cursor on here. That's why it came from here only. This is called first line margin, and this is called right side of margin. This is first side margin. This is right side of margin. If you enter press, automatically the text will be flow from there only. Enter means it will come down, friends, like this. And this is called first line margin and second line margin. This is called text indents. Text indents is very important. First line, only the first line will be changed. Here see, only the first line will be moved. Come to here, I'm just giving 50. Only the first line will be moved from the paragraph. I'm just giving 100, like this. Okay, now come to here, paragraph to paragraph. Okay, come to here, I'm just deleting the text. See here, the text I'm giving 10. Here it's 50. Yes, from paragraph to paragraph, automatically it is here. And you can keep it 0 here, and you can keep it 0 here, and you can keep it 0 here from the right margin also, and everything keep it 0, and you can click it here, and you can keep it 0 also here. And from paragraph to paragraph, you can take from here how much you need. Basically it will be in the points only, points, 30 points. Okay, like this. And I'm just giving 15 points. Like this. Select the text and you can use like this, and auto means auto, otherwise you can keep as a 20, like this, or 25. And for text you can keep this one and select it, and you can take the color, like this. Like this, friends, just practice the text properties. Okay, text is very important.